Have you noticed how the phases of the moon change throughout each month? Like sometimes all you see is a little sliver of the moon, and sometimes half of the moon can be seen. But a full moon is probably everybody's favorite phase. Which moon phase did you see last night? Phase. What's the first sound? I know, right? But actually, I am going to teach you a new H brother. This together with this equals like in phone. Or photo, or King Philip. Face. What's the second sound? Good. A, and then E goes at the end. One more. Face. Uh-huh. The moon is usually seen at night, so that's why I picked a dark background. And the moon is a sphere, just like this marble. Let's sound out the word face. A, S. And that, my friends, is one way of spelling PH. Thanks for watching.